Annoyed by your selfies being flipped or inverted? Turning off the inverted camera can solve this issue. Hi, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to turn off the inverted camera on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the camera settings. Here, find the mirror front camera option and tap on the toggle switch right beside it. When the switch turns green, the mirror front camera option will be enabled and the inverted camera will be turned off. And this is how you can turn off inverted camera on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.